Hello, my name is Whitney Cook and welcome to an introduction to library databases. Today I will show all the young adults out there how to search using a library database. A library database serves as an online source of information when you need reliable information, such as access to peer-reviewed journals. Different databases have different types of information, so pay attention to the database description. Now, for this video, we will be using UNT's University Libraries. Most databases are going to require member access, and most high schools and colleges have subscriptions to a few. They all function very similarly. You can see here that I already have the home page for the library pulled up, and we're going to mouse over the option for databases and click that. Now we have two boxes. The top is for finding a database and the bottom is for browsing subjects. We're going to click on the first box and you can see it offers a drop-down with a. If you hover your mouse on the eye next to a journal name to learn more about what topics it covers, like this. Keep in mind, these are not the only options for databases. They are just the most popular. If you mouse over the second box, you'll see that it also has a drop-down menu, but this time with topic suggestions. Moving on to our demonstration, we're going to mouse over the top box again and click on EBSCOhost, which should then take us to the database's main page. Now you can see that the databases are in alphabetical order by subject. For this demonstration, we're just going to use the first one here, Academic Search Complete. Go ahead and click on that. And now we have access to search for our topic. If you scroll down, there are limiters or search options that are available to help limit your search. But just to keep this simple, we're going to put our subject in this box. Notice I have typed frogs and climate change, with and as the Boolean operator. Boolean operators are search terms that help tell the database what to focus on, such as and, or, and not. Search. We got 650 different results. Now, assuming that we didn't get a result that meets the criteria we were looking for, there are additional limiters or search options to the left over here that allow you to search by type, subject, geography, and more. Databases rely on keywords or short phrases for their searches. You want to narrow down your search as much as possible. The more words you use, the more likely you will get results that do not fit what you are looking for. I hope this video has been helpful to young researchers. Using library databases can be confusing since we are used to search engines like Google. Remember that if you need help, most library databases also have a remote librarian that you can contact for additional assistance. Good luck with all your future searches.